Whitehall Avenue. I left from Whitehall Avenue, go Cofield. I left from Cofield, go Uptown. My parents never really have it. My father worked taxi for a living. My mother worked in a pharmacy. Enough people don't know what they have to go through to reach here, so. My parents never want me to play music, but I tell them, say, music what I do. Let me tell you this.
Kaboom! You know it's Warlord representing for Hooray Freestyle Adventures. What am I saying? Tell them fix them dentures. Kaboom!
Hey Freestyle Nation, welcome back to the movement, welcome back. In this video coming up freestyle, we're going culture. And we talk about culture, we're talking about sound clash. Freestyle Nation, we have two young sound. Yo, when me tell you say the man them bad. Two young sound. One named Juggling Master and one named Jaja Blacks. And freestyle, me tell you say the man them go massacre for massacre. The man them go tune for tune, and the man them have the whole place in a frenzy. As you all know, freestyle, when you come out to sound clash, yo, it's a big part of the Jamaican culture. We can't go around that. I mean, like, freestyle, back in the days, we used to have all 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 sounds string up in a one line, and you know, say, sound I got dead and sound I get destroyed and the whole work. I wish I could see back those days where all 6 sound string up in a one line, and you don't know, say, yo, I mean, like, tune for tune and dub for dub and special for special and the whole work. I miss them days of freestyle, but not lie, but Freestyle Nation, them two youth, I tell us the youth them bad, I tell us the youth them bad, and you know everything. You have to have the younger generation where come take over from the elders them, because you know say life goes on. I'm tell us them two youth are bad, them bad. So Freestyle Nation, me just go around and make you see what I go on for yourself. Me say when me say the man them turbo. The man. So Freestyle Nation, I want you, the viewers and subscribers, to leave it in the comment section. Tell me which of them sound you think are the baddest sound, which of them sound you think win the clash. But freestyle me now, like the two of them go hard, the youth them have a vibes. So we're just gonna run a video now of freestyle. So look what I'm going to do.
Why you have your face so?
Why you kill a sound for me?
Who sound you want me kill?
Juggling Master.
Why you want me kill Juggling Master?
Give me clan in Goro go talk.
Informer, make me do Juggling Master. 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 Make me do that. You have no more creativity. You have a king of soldier because you're lucky one day I wouldn't have to some of a Guinness final. Let me play a massive come and you are going. Guinness give so much money respect. And you come up at night and you don't big up Guinness. All what drink a Guinness put up a bucket in the ear. All what drink Guinness put up a bucket in the ear. Everybody put the platform put up a bucket in the ear. Big respect for Guinness. Guinness give me some man. They give me people them. But one of the people them never reach. But you see the people never reach. True Guinness soldier give me so much money. Because some man just pay for them to forward it. We don't have to use it to kick them. We just pay for them to forward it. Guinness I know why. What you think? Guinness I know why.
a count. You never did a count. You sure?
I saw me ignorant at the time from time.
He never did a count. He never did a count. After 4 is? After 4 is? Try stay alive. DJ Chacha Blacks in the challenge round. That a feed massacre them, you know. One them juggling master can't defend themselves. Juggling master, you're part of the challenge round now. 5 massacre.
You are going now. You know what them 5 massacre they are going to play. You know that long time. We done beating and juggling on already. And them see a challenge round. Now juggling masters never up on the stage to take on the trophy right there, so you know why? Yeah. Me not play a defense. Cause defense you're not gonna play a regular massacre them. You see me?
Genocide, you know. All of them are some clowning.
You know rock the one. Listen me. Oh boy. I set me and my mother grew. My grandfather live a St. Mary now. Rest in peace to my grandmother. I love her to my heart. But guess when me train God St. Mary boy and the rock a mess up. Big up the man. Left Lord at that. Big up to every jealous when they're in a Guinness Sons of Greatness. Big up the man that get a youth already. And you have your youth and you represent for your youth. You now left your youth a run. We have one son already. And me I'll do this for my son.
Legends live forever.
I'm gonna tell you this. Hold on, man. Right now, tears are coming on me, yeah? He's a youth. We're going on Whitehall Avenue. We left from Whitehall Avenue, going Cofield. We left from Cofield, going Uptown. My parents never really have it. My father run taxi for a living. My mother worked on a pharmacy. Enough people don't know what they have to go through to reach here, so. My parents never want me to play music, but I tell them, say, music what I do. Let me tell you this. They don't know my stuff. They just know my stuff. They don't know my stuff. They don't know my stuff. They don't know my stuff. They just know my stuff. They don't know my stuff. You're juggling my stuff. I'm never running out of beautiful. I'm never running out of beautiful.
Yo, Freestyle Nation, the man them go massacre for massacre. May I tell you, so the man them go hard. Every one of the massacre them connect, but there must be a winner. I want you to leave it in the comment section and tell me which of them son you think are the winner when you come on to the massacre round. So, but we just run the clash and see what I go on freestyle. You know the vibe. Remember, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Kaboom!
Yo. I want more in here. I want more in here. I want up. I want run. I don't know. It look career. People. I want who say. Where is Chacha Blacks? I wouldn't say juggling master. I don't know. But the wall look out. Big up the sound unit all the time. Yo, I'm not telling a lie. Me glad me ain't judging people. I can't judge. I'm a fan of the music too much.
That's all we are.
Yeah.
We're just
so,
the referees.
Jade, it's good thing we ain't judging.
Oh, yeah.
Judges have the problem.
The gentlemen who have the hard task tonight.
Yeah.
We're going to speak to one of them right now.
Yeah.
Mr. Kurt Riley, go ahead, sir.
You know, sir, on the hard work hard, fun we have.
Right.
But I can tell you this, as a selector. Yes, when you can go around easy forward
Yeah.
and dig out some forward with some different type of stuff on our place, on our part,
Yeah.
they are my dads.
Yeah. All right.
They are my dads.
Thank you very much.
You understand what I mean?
Yeah.
You have a thing name, usual suspects. Usual suspects means that anybody can do that.
Yeah.
But you see, if you can go around some song, Jade,
Yeah.
and you dig out that song,
Yeah.
and drop the right speech from that song.
Yeah.
You see what I'm going on?
Yeah.
You don't see what I'm going on? People don't see what I'm going on? You hear me?
They don't know my story.
Bunker.
Good night again, Guinness.
Good night again, Guinness Sounds of Greatness.
Good night, good night.
Teach him, Colin. Teach
Here
him.
we go on now. Earlier, as I tell you, the churches them were there and you don't know more while we ask one another question because we up yourself. And I say, Kurt, you sit around here, you see who play first. Me feel like say them supposed to win the party line. And I say, Kurt, you see who plays second. Have you got have argument? Have you got have creativity? Have you got talk with substance? And people, me not say, who not supposed to see what go on?
Mr. Keith Walford. All right, Ricky Silva.
But you know what I want to do? Me no boy just different from them, you know.
We know.
Me get up, you know. Me not listen hard, you know. Cause hard just make nice. But yes, when me look, around 40 million people in there tonight. Cause me no want to look here, so you know. Run us some black, one big cigar box up. And when me see forward, I dig from them place there, and I come up here, son. Yo, I whole place me I watch, and I see a son dig some forward, and people are jump up around the sun, and lighter, and phone light, and cut finger. Trouble dinner!
Jade,
Trouble dinner!
Jade, I wish my trooper come from.
We're not
Country
sure.
St. Mary.
Yeah, cause me know when forward and come up here so.
Yes!
Who wrote that song?
Kwakwa dig!
Me bang dig go. All sorts of things. Mr. Walford and Mr. Colin Hines, we're gonna leave you guys for the third round.
Yes.
Go.
Them youth here though.
Them are going. No.
Them talented,
Yeah man, next
bad,
generation
poor,
man.
no bad.
Big up to Guinness once again for doing this and putting the young DJs on a platform such as this. Remember, please drink responsibly, drink your water in between.
That is it.
Heineken 00 is here, Malta is here, and water is here. Anyhow, all ready for round three?
Tune for tune,
We're on three name.
tune for tune,
We're on three name.
tune for tune,
We're on three name.
tune for tune,
That means
tune for tune.
who plays on first, and then the next one play one, and then the next one play one, and then the next one play one,
And then I
and
play
then the
how
next
much?
one play. Now, as one of our judges just said, and we want you to remember this and realize this. Both of these sounds are younger sounds, so they may not have dub plates.
They might have the whole
Which is why, usually this round is called dub for dub round. This round is called tune for tune round.
Yeah.
So do not judge a man because you can't go dub. You understand what I said? Good.
Good.
So we're gonna do a coin toss, right?
Yeah.
Yes, so take out one of your teeth in $20 them. All they do is walk and beg $20.
No, G's and people left the whole I silver them around this. Somebody give me a $20 kind. They left the silver them.
Yeah, I'm lying.
No, I don't remember. I put them down. Somebody give me a $20 kind. Quick and fast to the around here. Can. Left them around the sun. Yes, somebody.
Can we have a representative from each
Yeah,
sound? Please.
See,
Let's
get
have
the
a
mama give me a
representative.
$20 kind, yeah.
Remember when you purchase a
No, Jay.
bucket of Guinness, you will get for
Jay,
yourself.
get the bomb, give me a
some-
$20 kind, but when I sign them, can't show. Somebody give me another one there fast. Quick, one side right now, show.
Remember, please purchase a.
Get the bomb, big up yourself. Yeah. And please don't throw them.
Butter.
Yeah.
Remember the credits.
Yeah, the
So
credit.
when you purchase
Yeah, this
a
is
bucket of
$5.
Guinness, you will get yourself some credit courtesy
Nobody?
of Digicel. Your friend.
Zaza from
Digicel.
Sun City
Big up to
just gave
Digicel
me a
every single
$20.
Let me ask you that question. How much $20 I'm just collect? Sorry, excuse. How much $20 I'm just collect? It's the one better, though.
I want to
You
know.
want like a big Guinness bag,
No.
you will pay, you know?
I want to know the one of them
My
juggle in my pocket.
God.
Somebody give me another one.
I'm so tired. Do the kind toss, man.
See that? See kind of?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now this is a truth for truth. Heads or tail? Head.
Why? Sorry. My bad.
Jada, we're gonna play a song.
No, but why is it that?
So you won the coin toss. The coin fell on.
Why? No.
Do you want to go first? Or are you allowing juggling masters to go first?
You go first.
So juggling masters will go first in the tune for tune.
Yeah.
There's a change. A change just forward. And I want to tell you, when you're drinking the Guinness, drink responsibly, live responsibly. So juggling masters, are you ready for tune for tune? Are you ready for tune for the talking?
Brother, my time now.
A 5 song, we have to tell you, you know what I know.
Brother.
Play a 6 now.
We
5 song, tune for tune.
Brother, we win semi-final already, and we win final now. So you're now for 10 minutes.
Me don't know how to send them better you come flash me. I bet that for you send out somebody with sense. Play that.
So Mr. JJ, shut us prayer. Juggling master, boy, I get tonight. How even a day? We laugh and some for better talk. I want to know. You think plugging in the rock up here like Bill. I want to know tonight to not get killed. I want to know. You see the style? Different. So Mr. Insane. So Mr. Body. Some boy from Louis and I say, JJ, a juggling master.
Never. They think I play a song this true, but tell them no.
Pass out. What's style? They run who they run gun this. I check out them 9 way crew man Chris. Juggling master, we don't feel the sound. Man, sound shut.
Go back for your money for the cut. You must get that. You can't come in and shoot me tune and play them type of clocks. You have to play them your song, yeah.
DJ Jaja, some boy better. No, I was a DJ Reed. I was a DJ Jaja Blacks. A be a blessing, God. I want to some fun. Swing up sound, like the world. Yeah. Now go tell them this. Oh, nah. So now go dead in the wall. I feel like I said, tonight again if I not juggling master get murdered.
If I saw you spend your Guinness money, I'm going to tell you to buy one land and do something with it, man. Yes, it's juggling masters to that.
Juggling masters, lady.
How is the murderer? You will have to get the juggling master. Yes, it's together, tune for tune.
Juggling master, murder.
How is the murderer?
Some company.
Dance on murderer.
We jump this because it is a style.
Oh, God, man. Give him a round of applause. People, give him a round of applause. You come from where your grandfather come from St. Mary. Your grandmother come from St. Mary. I St. Anne the Barn and Grow. Me I use one artist for your place and don't your career, watch it.
Whole place for shoot up. I'm gonna send them watch and sweet love and I wanna play. I'm gonna say this John Cody.
What the other? What the other?
Jaja Blacks. I chat some boy, I chat.
What the other?
Hello, King of Fire. I speak love, listen from above. But how the emperor and the people are like them. Jump. Them should have know I said there where we come from. Them should have listened back to us.
biggest forward them ever get from that though. It look like, but it's still not the biggest forward. Them say a tune for tune. But I feel like I'm a third song this. I'm gonna feel like I want to play something different. Look how me I go kill them.
Boom. And this the people them come for witness. Juggling Master with DJ Encino, DJ Barney, JJ Deadlock. Yeah man, I gonna murder Sweet Love in here tonight. Jaja Blacks and Jankro, and I got dead right here, so. And the original Super Black says so rum. The chalk, you don't know that one have the city life. Yes, sir.
If you want to put up your light on them in here. Shoot up your hand them, sir.
Masters of every day.
Listen.
And I'm in Slowwood, Jankro. Him coming out the dance of one like him big and him brown. Juggling Master, get to find out. I might the puss and the dog. We are gonna murder them just because they run up them boys.
Pull up! Why you think I'm gonna go on so far? Got me deep, so all you come stop me come and shoot me too.
Please, don't let me go down it, see it.
No mercy. Oh yeah. Got me too, you come stop me come and shoot me too.
I'm in a bed today.
You're wrong, become trouble champion. Sweet love, I got kill you. With the one you come. Sweet love, it got it champion. So,
alright. You have cut money, General. I cut about 5 of them, I didn't know I play 1. Let me tell you this. Trooper! You see that song I'm gonna play? Regular me hear you play that song, yeah. And you play the song raw way. But the cut that one is different for giving songs of greatness.
Extra clips and learning. They're supposed to know what's in some boy got
Left it. You see when they come back and sentence?
You know, you're straight up. Boom. Boys, you war and run, come start it. And let the knocking is class. Boom, boom. When the night face on this man, when the whole house setting for you with a boat box. Some boy, who hang up a graveyard of frog. Them the break your life on your chat and pull up.
Oh God, man. You really play that song and call Trooper name as a killer? Me not play the $5,000 song then. God give me 300,000. And you see that can't go in your pocket. Father keep! Can't go in it! Trooper bunker!
DJ, you don't like Jaja Blacks. Don't send me away. You done everything is up and running. Kill you for that. Stand up, stand up.
Equal rights and justice for all.
Let's see how that one has last!
This juggling master, them get through ya. Who do you think you are? You're just a little dancer.
Oh God, man. Good God, man. Juggling master in a Kingston. Do better than that. Them song that come like a free again. Then you don't spend this money. I saw you spend this money.
It's a real man of the massive man. Kill them, go kill them. Shoot.
What the guy said, man? Then before you spend this money.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Then before you spend this money. I saw you
Oh, you not play no more song. All the parts. You see that? Tune for tune. I'm Jade. Humbling. Humbling.
Good night, everyone. My name is Jade, and I would like to humbly apologize. Because in the ear, we said before, say, yo, I'm not playing them too much, because they might not have no dog, and then might not be, so I tell them play a while ago. So it's enough.
Yeah,
and I apologize for being enough. I'm going to talk to me about enough something here. I'm a granny to I'm not going to do it again. I'm very sorry to both sounds. They played dub till we not even know. Like,
yeah.
Wait.
Yeah, they went to the box. They went to the box.
Heard.
No, big up Jaja.
Boy, freestyle the young youth, them bad. I want you to leave it in the comment section and tell me which of those saw you think win the clash. Until next time, freestyle. Catch you in the next one. You know the vibes. Remember, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Kaboom!